Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the heating effect of electric current. The question is as follows. A cell of EMF E and internal resistance R is connected to resistance R1. It is observed that the heat generated in time t is equal to Q. Now the same cell is connected to another resistance R2. It is observed that the heat generated in time t is also equal to Q. We are required to find the internal resistance of the cell. Now for the answer, the circuit is shown in the figure. In the first case, resistance is equal to R1, EMF is equal to E, and internal resistance is equal to R. Therefore, total resistance of the circuit is equal to R1 plus R. Therefore, current through the resistance is given by I1 is equal to E by R1 plus R. Now, the heat generated when this current flows through resistance R1 for t seconds, we get Q is equal to I1 square R1 into t. Putting the value of I1 from equation 1, we get Q is equal to E square R1 into t divided by R1 plus R whole square. In the second case, the resistance changes to R2, EMF is E and internal resistance R. Therefore, current through R2 is given by I2 is equal to E by R2 plus R. Now, heat generated in t seconds in R2 is given by Q is equal to I2 square into R2 into t. Putting the value of I2, we get Q is equal to E square R2 into t divided by R2 plus R whole square. Now, equating the RHS of equations 3 and 6, we get the next step. Here, we observe that E square into t is common on both sides. Therefore, cancelling them and cross-multiplying the terms, we get R1 into R2 plus R whole square is equal to R2 into R1 plus R whole square. In the next step, we expand the whole squares on both sides. Then we observe that a term 2R R2 into R1, and on the RHS also we have 2R R1 and R2, they get cancelled, giving us R1 R2 square plus R square R1 is equal to R1 square R2 plus R square R2. Now rearranging, we get R square into R1 minus R2 is equal to R1 R2 into R1 minus R2. Cancelling R1 minus R2 on both sides, we get R square is equal to R1 into R2. Therefore, R is equal to root over R1 into R2, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is D. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.